Ladies and gentlemen, I told you so. The price of Luna was going to go back to its previous all-time high. And just as we predicted in the previous episode, if you check out this episode 2 days ago, right, I told you that the price was going to go to $75, then make a huge pump all the way to $100. So ladies and gentlemen, if you did listen to my price prediction as far as Terra Luna is concerned, right, you should be sitting pretty right now. So if you take a look at what happened, right, this is exactly what I talked about. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode that I did on March 7th, because it predicted everything. So I was expecting pretty much a bounce, or rather a range between $70 to around 75, then a huge reversal to go up and break the previous all-time high of Luna, which is around $100 per Luna. And if we fast forward into the future, look at what happened. Look at that amazing pump, exactly as predicted. So we did drop to 75, right? So this is the lowest that we went to. If you take a look at this week, right, we were at $75.53, and that was the price of Luna on Bitcoin. So this is pretty accurate. It was definitely accurate. So we had an alternative scenario where the price of Luna would continue tanking, provided the price of BTC ended up losing support and just going to the downside. But hey, I did let you know that the price of Bitcoin was going to pump towards 43. So between 36K to about 43K, right? The highest probability of BTC back then was obviously pumping towards 43,000 US dollars. So please take a look at the previous episode, because all the scenarios and everything that I talked about did happen, especially due to the fact that I give you the highest probable trades. And this is one thing that I really like about my technical analysis, because I give you like a set of multiple options, and then I also give you the likelihood, or rather the highest probable outcome of whatever is going to happen in that particular time frame. So take a look at this particular episode. You guys watch everything from start to finish. So moving on forward, right, I really hope that you guys who are just joining my YouTube channel, you already know how I operate. So when I'm giving you TA, I'm going to be giving you two different, or rather multiple scenarios, and then in the video, I'm going to clarify and give you the highest probability scenario to take place. Just like I was telling you with Luna, right? We had two scenarios right over here, a range and then drop, and then a range and then push up to the previous all-time high, which is absolutely about to happen. So this is exactly what happened. So of course, if you look at the 3-day time frame on Luna, right, we just have a little bit of a resistance right over here, and I really believe the price of Luna, as far as the previous all-time high is concerned, is going to be broken, because to be honest with you, the realistic resistance that we have is at around $97.50 as far as Luna is concerned. So if you take a look at the current price right now, right, the current price is around $96.98. So we are pretty much close to breaking the resistance, and then from here we're just going to end up pushing up higher and higher, and we're going to obviously experience some more drastic and dramatic major wicked pushes up to the upside. So I really hope that you guys have secured your locations, or rather your positions, and you guys are ready to go to the stratosphere. So if you look at the previous all-time high, right, we are literally 5% away from the previous all-time high. So obviously you already know the pumponomics as far as Luna is concerned. So there's obviously going to be like a whole lot more upside, and there's going to be like major profits that we are going to be making in the next coming few days. So enough bragging, enough giving myself pats on the back, because it is what it is. TA, this is what we do on a daily basis. And let's get to today's TA. So today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, right? So the current price of Bitcoin, as predicted, exactly as predicted, is gravitating towards the 43,500, 43,000 price target that we are supposed to be having. And what I expect to happen is we are going to have like a little bit of a a pullback around this particular level, around the 42,000 500. Well, let me just give you this pocket. Yeah, so basically this green line of juicy profit, right? This is where we're going to sort of face a little bit of stagnation, and then from here we're going to range, probably drop, and then continue pushing towards the upside, and then we're going to figure out whether we're going to continue going past 43,500. Now, I've got a very wild theory, and this particular theory is very wild, and I think it's too premature for me to talk about it, because, you know, I don't want you guys to like misunderstand me, because a lot of you guys love to keep it basic, a lot of you guys love to keep it simple, but I really believe next week is going to be pretty bullish. But anyway, let me not jump into that, because you guys are going to misinterpret me. So for now, just worry about the price of Bitcoin going to 43,500 to about 44,000. So that is your next immediate area of value. So if I can only find the text, yeah. So basically, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, worry about 43,000. So hold on, let me just write that for you, because you guys, you know, you love me simplifying things. So 43 to about, I don't know, 44k. So that's what I'm expecting as far as Bitcoin is concerned. Then from there, we're going to be able to like reevaluate. So for now, if you guys did take my trade, or rather the recommendation that I gave you about 2 days ago, right, you should be sitting pretty, because Bitcoin did about 8%. When last did you see the price of Bitcoin doing 8%? You tell me. Okay, so we still have like a little bit of juice in the tank, and 43 to about 44k is absolutely plausible in the next coming short term. By short term, I mean 24 to about 72 hours. Ladies and gentlemen, be very mindful of the time frame. So as far as I'm concerned, right, short term trading is between 24 hours to around 72 hours. So whenever I make a video, right, probably the analysis I'm going to give you is probably going to be catering for 24 to about 72 hours. So you guys have to get down with the program. You have to know how I roll. You have to know how Monero rolls. You know how it is. All right, so as far as Bitcoin is concerned, that's what I'm working with, 43 to about 44. So what does that mean for Luna? That really means that Luna has got the probability and the capability of going to the previous all-time high, because you know what? Bitcoin is going to be absolutely ferocious and bullish, and is going to hit higher prices. So when that happens, trust me, Luna is obviously going to blow past the previous all-time high, which is around $100. Now, if that isn't TA simplified, I don't know what it is, guys. I don't really know what you expect. Like, I literally give you the blueprint. I literally give you the whole shebang as far as making money. Like, making money has never been easy with your boy Muna, you know. So I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. So anyhow, enough talking about Terra, because you guys already know the dilly. You guys already know the business as far as Terra is concerned. So let's take a look at the overall markets, because, you know, we need to do some technical analysis as far as the overall markets are concerned, if you know what I mean. So first of all, let's take a look at the, I'll do this later. Try tonight. Okay, so let's take a look at the overall markets. So total market cap is very important for us, and a lot of people are going to get lost in the sauce. I know it's very easy to get lost in the sauce, because we are having the Ukraine versus Russia type of arrangement, and overall the sentiments are pretty bearish, but I really believe the market makers are going to be able to like dribble and maneuver their way around getting all your money, but anyway, so let's break down what has been happening on the crypto markets, excluding BTC. So this is basically the altcoin market cap. Okay, so this is what we have right over here. So in the past few weeks, roughly to be precise, in the past 2 months, we have been ranging and creating this particular area of value, and you guys already know what it is. Like, whenever you start creating this area of value, right, this is the most boring parts of the markets, because the only interesting parts of the markets are when the markets are trending. Okay, now I'm now beginning to give you some lectures. I'm beginning to get into my educational mode type of phase. But anyway, so as you can get the concept, and you know what I'm trying to say is right now we are beginning to form some range in this particular pattern. So it's only going to be a matter of time till we decide whether we're going to continue pushing up or if we're going to continue pushing towards the downside. Okay, so at this particular moment, when you are in the range, play accordingly. You guys already know the blueprints. You already know the Muna blueprint as far as trading these cryptocurrencies is concerned. If you are ranging, you know, pick out the bottom and the top, you know, get your money on the top, buy back at the bottom, rinse and repeat until you make that money. You know, so yeah, so as far as the weekly time frame is concerned, this is what's happening. So this can go on for the next 2 months. You know, we could be just, you know, going up down for the next 2 months, and that is where the opportunity lies, ladies and gentlemen. So it's pretty easy. I mean, trading and making money is pretty easy provided you are patient enough. I know sometimes it gets a little bit overwhelming, and you know, like it's a roller coaster ride. I do get it, but hey, you know, people have to make money. People have to make money. So we have to do what it does. So anyhow, breaking down the 3-day time frame, right? On the 3-day time frame, I really see like a lot of juice right over here. I really see some blessings coming our way because the 3-day time frame is absolutely amazing, and I really believe we could have a major reversal towards the upside. Trust, Ukraine versus Russia war has been, you know, there's a little bit of bullish momentum going on. You know, people are saying, okay, it's about to get over. You know, we're going to get back to normal and that stuff. So that's going to be an opportunity for the markets to do what they do. And we're obviously going to see like a very good reversal, at least, you know, like probably next week. This is one of the reasons why I really believe the next 7 days are absolutely going to be beautiful, if you know what I'm talking about. So best believe we're going to have some good stuff coming through. So just be patient. Right over here on the daily time frame, we saw this massive, major candle coming through, regardless of us, you know, like having down days for the past 5 days. So right now, you know, just ride with the bulls because, you know, the bulls are about to do some amazing stuff. So for now, till the next, you know, 48 to about 72 hours, it's going to be bullish, you know. And of course, there's going to be a point when we are going to reach the top of this range and we're going to nuke down and we're going to like super crash. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, I understand things are going to get murky. Things are going to get, you know, very gloomy and doomy. I understand that. But at this particular moment, right, understand how the market makers work. You see, I do market make for, you know, different cryptocurrency projects, and I do understand how the big banks work, how the big dogs work, you know, how the smart money work, you know, how they operate. So as much as everybody is pretty much bearish at this particular moment, right, there's going to be a major pump that is going to make you feel like the markets are turning around, and then boom, it's really going to dump, and we're going to end up dropping down. So I really believe that the price of Bitcoin eventually is going to end up dropping to about 27 to about 30,000 US dollars per BTC, but that is only going to come after we have like a major push up. You see, the price of Bitcoin can end up going to around 48,000 to about 52,000, and then get a nasty price correction of about 50%. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, guys, as much as the markets are bullish, you know, the price is still going to end up dropping and going to about 27,000 US dollars, if you know what I'm saying. So this is just what I'm saying. But this is going to play out a little bit later. You know, I'm just giving you this theory so that you guys can have the blueprint and you guys can understand where we are likely to go and what's about to happen. So moral of the story is expect massive pumps from here, and then we're going to touch you know, the top of the range, because you guys already know when we are ranging, trade accordingly. Just, you know, sell the top, buy the bottom. So right now we are beginning our journey towards the top, and once we do get to the top, right, just sell it and you know, sip some pina colada and do what you do. You know, go talk to your girl and, you know, just go chill with some girls and then come back, if you know what I'm saying. It's pretty easy. Just chill, wait, and let the markets do their thing. Okay, it's pretty easy. what else did I want to talk about? So yeah, basically this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a push towards the upside as far as the altcoins. So we're going to see major altcoins pushing up, and then from here we're going to drop because the price of BTC is going to go to about 27,000 US dollars to around 30,000 US dollars. Then from there, I'm going to let you know the next step. So what Muna is saying right now is at least in the next 24 to about 72 hours, play bullish, buy the bottoms, scalp the bottoms, and do what you gotta do. Okay, so now let's move over to the general markets, because I want to analyze everything, because I'm good like that, because I've got my eyes on a lot of things. Trust me, like a brother is doing a lot. A brother is doing a whole lot right now. I'm doing a whole lot of stuff, and looking at the markets on a daily basis. This is one of my passions. So if you take a look at the price of BTC, done very well. It's been up by about 8.5% since the last 24 hours. Of course, from the 7-day time frame, we are still down by about 5%, but best believe we're definitely going to be pumping some more, and everything is going to be a-okay. So now let's look at the best performing cryptocurrencies at this particular moment. So according to the 24-hour volume, right, obviously the big dogs: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance USD coin, Terra, XRP. By the way, something amazing is about to happen to XRP, because I really believe XRP all of a sudden is getting a lot of volume, and you guys already know the rules. Okay, volume precedes price action. So before a major pump, right, you're obviously going to see like major spike in volume. So there's going to be like a consistent spike in volume, and this is what we're seeing and witnessing as far as XRP is concerned. So what do? We prepare for that nasty push towards the upside, make our money, relax, sip some pina colada, talk to some girls, and just do what it does. So obviously Terra has been killing the game right now. Terra has been killing the game. I mean, Luna has been killing the game. I mean, Luna has been performing very well. I mean, guys, on this one, I did call it. I've been calling it for the past 1 week. I've been telling you guys, get into Luna, and you guys are going to make a whole lot of money. Just look at the type of catalog that I have. Look at the type of videos that I've been making, you guys. I've been telling you, man, Terra. Luna is going to do very well, and alas, you guys are obviously going to see the price super explode. Trust. Yeah, so anyway, getting back to other coins, of course, we've got the smart, the layer 1 type of blockchains that are, beginning to pop up. So we've got everything, Terra, Solana, we've got Cardano, we've got Avalanche, Polkadot. So basically all the layer 1 solutions are very much, back in game. And obviously the NFTs and the play to earns, these are going to be pumping like a little bit later, because right now it's a little bit tricky. A lot of investors are on the edge, and a lot of investors are looking forward to, putting money in something which is guaranteed to continue providing a whole lot of value, because it has got like a very good, well-maintained, well-balanced type of ecosystem. So this is one of the reasons why we see projects such as Terra, aka Luna, doing very well. We're seeing Solana, we're seeing Cardano, we're seeing Avalanche, because these particular blockchains have got like an ecosystem built around it. And you guys already know, like, if you ever want to make money, right, you always have to create value. So what these particular projects are doing is they are creating value for other projects. For example, if you look at the Terra, the Luna ecosystem is absolutely amazing, and there are other projects like, for example, the is it the Anchor? Is it ANC? So yeah, Anchor protocol. So this protocol is built on Luna. You understand? So it's all about providing value. I mean, that's the basics. That's the most basic necessity that everybody has to provide in order to earn that money, that moolah. You need to provide value, because if you're not providing value, how are you going to get paid? So this is one of the reasons why these layer 1 solutions are absolutely killing it at this particular moment. So hey, if you guys don't really have these coins such as Terra, Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, and Cardano, you guys are definitely missing out. So of course, the meme coins, Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is, I think it's not really time for Shiba Inu to do its thing because, it's a meme coin. It's a meme coin. I know there's a lot of Shiba Inu fans out there, so I do not really want to offend anybody. So I come in peace. And, please do not crucify me. So Shiba Inu will do its thing a little bit later. And I really believe this is the bottom. Just take a look at that amazing, price chart. Look, it's like literally at the bottom right over here. I mean, like, come on, ladies and gentlemen. You don't really need to be a rocket scientist to know that it's obviously going to be pumping from here. It's going to be a pump after pump after pump after pump. So yeah, I mean, but to be honest, if you had to ask me, I'm not really a big fan of Shiba Inu. Trust, I'm not really a big fan of Shiba Inu because it's a meme coin. It started out as a meme. Of course, we've got Dogecoin. Dogecoin has made a lot of people millionaires. We all know that, but it is what it is. We started from the bottom and we don't really have disposable income like that, so we have to play it safe. You know what it is. So anyway, yeah, I think that's it for today. Otherwise, let's look at the best performers in the past 24 hours. So the best performing cryptocurrency has been ECONOMI, which is OMI, right? So OMI, what the hell does OMI do? I'll take a look at OMI a little bit later. So we've got Monero. All of a sudden, Monero is back from the back, and it is obviously scoring a whole lot. So Monero has been an OG. Monero is an OG as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned, right? Because Monero has been around for like more than 7 years, and it's actually doing its thing. It's doing its thing, man. I'm super proud of Monero. XMR, I mean, this is the way to go. This is the way to go for XMR, aka Monero. So we also have Synthetix network. So this is obviously the regulars, the DeFi type of cryptocurrency project. So 18% as well. We also have Rweave. We've got Zcash, we've got Near Protocol, we've got Nexo, we've got Dash. It's been a while since I came across Dash. I mean, if you guys are OGs, because I'm an OG when it comes to these markets. I'm an OG when it comes to cryptocurrencies. I remember Dash, when the price of Dash was like less than, $11. It was like less than $5, And, it's been around for like a very long period of time, man. I feel like a dinosaur. And take a look at that accumulation on Dash. It's been ranging for like a very long period of time because it got a little bit outdated. So it was all about passive income, masternodes, and all that stuff. But anyway, we might see some good price action, based on this. So, I wouldn't be surprised if altcoins is bottomed out. I wouldn't be surprised because, hey, we've been going down for like a very long period of time. So if we go back to the price of Bitcoin, right? Take a look at this, and please be open-minded because a lot of you are closed-minded. And a lot of people are generally, part of the herd. There's herd mentality. So, I am an independent thinker. I do not really get swayed by the public and what they're doing, because I've got my own way of operating. So I love to look at things objectively. So if you take a look at the price of BTC, we have been going down since November. This is March. We've been going down for about 5 months. 5 months of anarchy, 5 months of anger, and just basically complaining and just bad markets for the past 5 months. It's been a rough time. I've been hurting. Your boy has been hurting. I've been hurting pretty bad, but it is what it is. There's obviously going to be like a breakthrough. There's going to be a breakthrough, and there's going to be like a price appreciation sooner or later. So this is one of the reasons why we might have a bullish candle in March, and this is why we're going to make a lot of money. Anyhow, this is all I had for you. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond SNX, and you guys already know I'll be back again with another technical analysis. So if you guys really want to make a whole lot of money, just reach out to me on my email. You guys already know how to reach out to me. I'm pretty easy to find. I'm a very easy man to find. So if you're looking for tutorials and just basically be good at trading, you guys already know what to do. Your boy has been killing it. I mean, you've got all the proof. I told you what was going to happen. I gave you the specific time frame, and I gave you the highest probability of making money. Come on, it doesn't really get any easier than that. So what do? So reach out to me. Check my email in the description box below. Tell me, hey Mona, I want to be trading like a beast. I want to get to your level. please teach me sensei. So I'm going to be able to like download all the trading experience that I have built over the past 5 years, because this particular journey has been very, very turbulent for me, and I'm going to be able to like basically tell you every little bit of thing that I know, and you guys are going to be like top-notch traders in less than 2 months, guaranteed. If you lose money while you're dealing with me, then I don't know, then you just don't have a lot of patience. There's no way you can lose. There's absolutely no way you can lose. So if you hang out with Mona, you're going to make a lot of money. You're going to make a shit ton of money. That has been tried and tested, and trust me, I've got a lot of reviews, and I've got a lot of testimonials, if I can put it that way. So try your brother out. In case you want me to help you sort of reshuffle your portfolio and just basically give you good advice, book a consultation with your boy, and you guys are going to be good to go. So that's all I had for you. Remember, my email is in the description box below, and let's get talking. So good luck and happy trading. You guys be blessed. I'll be looking forward to all your comments in the comment section below, because I'll be answering. If you guys need specific answers for me, feel free to reach out to my email, and I'm going to be able to help you a whole lot. So let's make this money, let's get innovative, and let's add value to as many people as we can. So remember, be nice, be kind, and God will bless you. God will definitely bless you. All right, okay, take care, and goodbye.